Guangdong, China, 70 million years ago. Although there are forests in the region, it remained a predominantly arid or semi-arid environment. Nevertheless, harsh winters can still occur, prompting many species in the area to maintain a layer of feathers to protect themselves from the cold. A significant number of trees in these temperate forests initiate the process of leaf shedding, indicating the impending arrival of a difficult winter season. Despite this, nighttime does offer a brief chance for hunters. Qianzhousaurus. Carnivorous tyrannosaurids. Qianzhousaurus was a moderate-sized theropod with a length estimated at 6.3 meters and a height ranging from 7 to 9 meters. It had a body mass of approximately 750 to 757 kilograms. Qianzhousaurus earned the nickname Tyrannosaurus Rex because of its elongated and slender snout, which was approximately 30% larger than that of other dinosaurs of comparable size. Qianzhousaurus bears a resemblance to Albertosaurus and Tyrannosaurus, but can be identified by its elongated snout and notably slender body. This dinosaur is characterized by spiky crests above its eyes and spikes along its neck and torso. Despite having a less powerful jaw compared to larger tyrannosaurids, Qianzhousaurus is a proficient predator due to its speed. Qianzhousaurus lived in Ganzhou, a province of southern China. There is where an almost complete skull was found. Qianzhousaurus, as well as Oleoramus from Mongolia, indicates that the long-snouted tyrannosaurids had a broad distribution in Asia. Despite our limited knowledge about them, it seems that the long-snouted tyrannosaurs were a significant group of predatory dinosaurs in Asia. The fossil record in Ganzhou indicates that there was an abundance of food available. The area was rich with trees and water, providing a habitat for a diverse range of life forms such as lizards, small oviraptors, and long-necked herbivorous dinosaurs. The pack of Qianzhousaurus seem to be very territorial and hungry. They have been stalking some large prey for a while now and must be getting closer. Gannansaurus. Herbivorous sauropod. The Gannansaurus have been located by the Qianzhousauruses. However, the change in height may be a struggle, as Gannansaurus is expected to be around 36 meters tall. Very little is known about the Gannansaurus, but it's believed that it was the size of other better-known sauropods in the area and weigh as much as 25 tons, similar to other sauropods in Asia. Qianzhousaurus lived in Guangdong and Jiangxi, provinces of southern China. There is where a handful of fossils have been found. Gannansaurus's name has the meaning Gannan lizard, as many fossils have been found near Ganzhou in the province of Jiangxi. The specimen was obtained from a construction site close to in Ganzhou, China. The majority of the specimen was damaged during the construction activities. However, a single dorsal vertebra was successfully reconstructed from fragments. The pack of Qianzhousaurus have selected the female Gannansaurus. This may be because it is slightly younger and weaker than the male. However, they will also go after the male, as one Gannansaurus may not be enough for the whole pack. This Qianzhousaurus was unprepared for the strong leg pull of the Gannansaurus, even though he was the attacker, and he copied what his pack did. The result of this unpreparedness is a sprained ankle and broken jaw. This could lead to an infection, or the broken jaw could be too painful for the Qianzhousaurus to eat, meaning that it could starve to death. But this doesn't mean that the Gannansaurus is safe yet. The repeated strategic ankle bites from the Qianzhousaurus means that the leg is mangled, making the leg so unbearably hard to walk on, that the Gannansaurus trips and lands on its chest, then its head. The weight crushes the chest instantly, making a quick death. The Qianzhousauruses will take the opportunity to eat the dead Gannansaurus, claiming it as the majority of the pack's kill. However, not everyone is included in this feast. The broken ankle and jaw Qianzhousaurus must now watch as his pack eats the kill, as he has been excluded, as his has been seen as to do nothing but injure himself. The exclusion would be an act of shame, like how an alpha wolf will punish a beta wolf. This humiliation doesn't end just with denial of food, the bullying from the other Qianzhousauruses. Qianzhousauruses forgive the injured male for spoiling the attack on the Gannansaurus, yet the other Gannansaurus male has ran away into the forest, meaning the injured male will have time to partially heal while locating the second Gannansaurus.